Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to turn off personalized ads on Instagram and fix the Instagram ads problem, step by step. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Now, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open Settings and Activity. Next, tap on the search bar at the top and search for ads. You'll now see options related to Instagram ad settings and personalization. On Ads About Meta, tap on it. Wait a few seconds and Instagram will automatically open the settings page. Now, you'll see an option called Use My Activity to show me ads about Meta. If it's enabled, Instagram uses your activity for targeted ads and sponsored content. To reduce personalized ads, change it to Don't Use My Activity to show me ads about Meta, and confirm it. Once you do that, your Instagram ad preferences will be updated automatically. And that's basically how to turn off personalized ads on Instagram. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.